Prayers across Pakistan today have been dedicated to Malala, in schools and in mosques. The 14-year-old remains in a critical condition 3 days after a Taliban assassin shot her in the head. Just 2 weeks ago, the girl who's now become the focus of worldwide attention was filmed at home, helping her younger brother with his work. But it's for her own writings she became famous. Her school flag now hangs at half-mast. The pupils have been too upset to come to study, not knowing when Malala will return here to her desk. Everywhere there's evidence of the accolades she won, defying the Taliban and campaigning for girls' education. Her biology teacher told us of the horrors of the attack, showing us the school van she was travelling in when a Taliban gunman climbed on board and singled out Malala. Her bloodstains cover the place where she sat. But she wasn't the only girl in that packed van that was injured. Kainat, whose face we've concealed for her safety, was hurt too.
We were all screaming, but the man pointed his pistol at our faces and told us to be quiet. He fired at Malala and then fired some more. I could feel I was shot in the arm. The fear is still with me now.
Some have felt so upset they've taken to the streets, and Malala's ordeal has had reverberations across Pakistan. Well, this is an atrocity, taking a gun to a child, that's really galvanised people in their utter disgust. But there's also a sense that the Pakistani Taliban are now frantically releasing statement after statement trying to justify the attack, and also recognise this could be a turning point. The militants say their policy of not attacking journalists has now changed over the reporting of Malala's case. A watershed moment it may be, but not everyone's convinced it'll be for the good. Aleem Maqbool, BBC News in Mingora in the Swat Valley.